Konnichiwa. My name is Naruki Akiyama. I'm the group leader in the system R&D department at Idemitsu. Idemitsu is one of the energy leaders in Japan that is involved in the development, manufacturing, and sales of various energy sources and materials, including petroleum, basic chemical, and more. We are aiming to achieve a carbon neutral and recycling-oriented society in 2050. We are transforming our business portfolio toward our 2050 vision, so-called shaping change, and we are accelerating effort toward short-term goals, such as further improving capital efficiency in existing business and achieving our 2030 greenhouse gases reduction target. In my current role, I'm responsible for projects such as an automation of operation monitoring, especially early detection of anomalies. I'm also responsible for upgrading existing systems to improve the reliability and efficiency of the information transfer, which have been traditionally relied on the experiences of operators and engineers. And part of my role incorporates a mid-term mission to achieve advanced decision-making in the manufacturing sector. This advanced decision-making means supporting human tasks such as forecast and decision-making in maintenance and operation. Historically, at Idemitsu, each system has been siloed, making it hard to utilize the data as we move into the AI era. The data needs to be organized. So as we build a roadmap to our 2040 goal, we broke into three-step phases, which are collect, connect, and notice. In the first phase, we set a goal to shift from collecting data manually to a mechanism where data is connected automatically. The goal of this phase is to effectively use our AI across our production by 2030. As a first step in this connect phase, we create an in-house system called SDM-kun. The most notable feature is the user-friendly UI, which is modified and optimized every 2 weeks in a agile way. SDM-kun took us beyond the classic search experience, but there is still a problem. While SDM-kun can display various data and make it easy to write back, but the data is still disconnected, and while input time was reduced, the searching time was not. That is why we need Cognite Data Fusion to improve contextualization. To tell the truth, contextualization was the most challenging task for us. Naming rules such as DCS tags, P&I abbreviations, asset official name in ERP are totally different in every system, every unit, and every site. It was like we were trying to identify the match among 1 million assets, like in an impossible memory game. We are about to give up. However, Cognite Data Fusion, AI OCR, entity matching, and other functions helped us connect those complex data, resulting in dramatically reducing searching time. Here's them of what Cognite Data Fusion does for us. In Cognite Data Fusion, Idemitsu uses the digitalized P&ID as a hub to access variety of detailed information, and the structural calculations can be easily viewed from the list. 3D data can be available to check site layout, etc. without having to go to the site. In addition, user can see the maintenance history and scheduled construction work in the CMMS. Operational data can be checked and the response time of CDF is very fast. Instead of logging into 4 different systems, the CDF allows us to confirm the data in one single platform. Using AI without Cognite Data Fusion is very difficult. We must first find and connect existing data. As you know, the more we integrate and link this data, the less time and effort we need to check its accuracy and share it. Specifically, we estimate more than 50,000 hours of time saving annually in the manufacturing sector from using Cognite Data Fusion. Also, we believe that after 2 or 3 years of data preparation, the foundation will be there to use AI accurately and effectively. we are going to continue working with Cognite and develop more use cases on top of Cognite Data Fusion, such as production planning and ensuring the safety of our operations. Thank you for listening. I hope you will enjoy the product tour.